What's up, everybody? It's Austin with LA Vice Motors. I got a cool treat here. I'm excited to show you. Check this bad boy out. Nice work truck. This is a 2003 Cummins. 2003 Dodge Ram 2500. Loud ass bike. 4x4. Cummins diesel. 4x4, 287,000 miles. Yeah, it's got some miles. It's pretty clean except for this little spot right here and this spot on the trunk. It's got nice tires. 4x4. Laramie. Take a look. Good tires. Looks like a little bit of a lifted suspension. The front looks real clean. Nice lights. All clean and not yellowed out. Leather interior, power seats. So it's the Laramie edition. Quad cab. It's decent shape considering it's got high miles. Infinity stereo. AC works, heater works. It's definitely a Cummins under there. You gotta see this though. See the miles, 287. Wood trim. You see that switch right there? It's an air horn, or no, a train horn. Loud as hell. Pretty fun. Let's take a look under that hood. Yeah, there she is, the 5.9 Cummins. Not leaking, running strong. Everything about her. Nice little truck. Nice big truck. Anyway, I got it listed for $11,700. 2003 Cummins diesel with a train horn. Come down and check it out. Financing available. I'm on 9th and Gaffey here in San Pedro. Have a nice day. Talk to you later, hopefully.